Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you notice that I'm wearing the same top, it's because I am. It is the same day and it's a beautiful day. I have great lighting, natural lighting, that's what I was trying to say. And I ended up getting in the mail something that I had been waiting on, and I wanted to go ahead and unbox it and get it done while I have this beautiful lighting. And before I go run my errands, I think I'm gonna be so late running my errands, but I wanted to get this done and open it up for you guys. First of all, I am going to open this. This came in like, I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago. This came from Australia and I got it first. And it's a handbag organizer. And I bought it from a lady, I'm trying to look for her name. Carrie Dua or something like that. I should have her name. I'm gonna go ahead and put it up here so that you can look for her. I'll put her information down either up here in the description box below somewhere. So if you're interested in one of these organizers. This says peach, and the reason I'm unboxing this first is because I wanted, it goes with this bag that I purchased, and I didn't want to open this if I didn't have the other, and I just barely got this other one. So since it's here and I'm still here at the house, we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and take advantage of this beautiful natural lighting. I wish I could always do my videos at this time of day, but really this is the only day that I can do it because Monday is my only day off, so it's the only day I can. Oh, this is lovely. This is gonna have her information. Carrie D, KDAustralia.com is where you can find her her inserts, bag inserts. And I think she has some for quite a bit of bags, so that's great. You know, I do love the Samorgas, and they take forever to get here too. But this was a lot more economical. It wasn't as expensive as Samorga, and I think it'll do me just perfectly fine. I do like that. I need to train it. It's still a little hard. But anyway, oh, I can't get this lint or whatever that is off. It comes like this. So it has like a section for right there, a section there, pocket here, pocket here. I have one of my friends on here, Irene, I believe is her name. She did a video on how to make your own. So that is really awesome. I haven't seen it yet, but I did see the title, and it's on my list to watch. Don't think I don't watch all of your videos, because I do. I just sometimes, I get home so tired. Sometimes I get home at 12 midnight, you guys, from the restaurant, and it's late, and I'm tired, and I just take a shower and go to bed. So there's a lot of times when I don't have time to see them, but I'll get to them. There's pockets there. It's got a pocket here for a pen, I guess, which I never carry in my bags, and which is kind of awful because sometimes I'm like, I need a pen, but you'll never see me carrying one in my purses. They're too expensive. It's too easy for them to bust. I live in a town where it's 105 degrees every day. I don't trust it. Okay, so this is my organizer, and it's in the color peach. It's got her initials right there, which is KD, okay, Carrie. And I bought this bag. I won't show you the other side because it has all my information and I didn't take it off, but I got super excited when I went outside and I found this I found this by my mailbox outside, and I'm sure it wasn't my mail lady because she would have told me. But let's get into this. This is a bag that I purchased from a Facebook page called Fashionistas, I want to say. I think it's called Fashionistas. It used to be LV Addicted or something like that. But, oh, I already told you what it is. But anyway, I found this bag. It was a good price. And I grabbed it, you guys. And I hope I love it. This is the box. Nothing else in there. I bought from her before, and I love her stuff. There's several sellers that sell on there, and they're nice and trusted. Nothing fake. Everything's authentic. And like I said, I have bought from her before. So this is my very first bag in this, it's a Louis Vuitton. Yay! I'm excited, you guys. Oh, it's a pretty one. Oh my gosh, you guys. It is the Neverfull. Oh my gosh, you guys. Let me take a moment to check this glazing. You know I gotta sniff them. All of them. Even if they're not leather. Don't smell anything bad. She puts a little charm on there, which is really sweet of her. And let me check her out real good because she said it was in perfect condition, and she is, you guys. No creasing. I don't see. Let's move this table over. Sorry about that noise. I don't see any glazing, cracking on the glazing. This is a pretty nice bag. The only thing that it didn't come with, it's got the rose ballerine interior, and I think that's why I loved it. But then I looked on the site, and they have them available with the pouch, but this was way cheaper, so I went ahead and got it. She said it was in great condition. Let me look at the bottom of this bag and make sure she was right, because I'm real iffy about, I don't like to buy like a dirty bag. That kind of like, I don't like that, you know? And I don't like it to smell or whatever. If I'm gonna buy pre-loved, it has to be like in excellent or pretty good condition. I don't see any stains. No, nothing on this, you guys. Maybe some faint, no, that's lint. Nope, that's just lint. Maybe a tiny, tiny bit of dark spots, but nothing I can't clean out. This is a beautiful color on the inside. I'm sorry, you guys, I got all looking at it, but perfect condition. The chaps are in great condition. And one thing I love about the Damier Ebene is it's so carefree. And I find that my bags that I use that are monogram and that have that vachetta trimming, oh my gosh, I'm always worried about it. I'm like that. I'm just like that. And that's not good because I love that. And this is a great size. Great size. I love this, you guys. This to me is going to be like a work bag. I got it like a work bag. I'm going to use it for work. Along with, you know, my other, this just a tag that says thank you. And then she puts this on here, but of course you don't have to have it on there. This is what the bag looks like. Beautiful, you guys. There is absolutely nothing wrong with it. And she said it was in beautiful, great condition. It really is. Because a lot of times when you find them, you know, pre-loved, they'll have cracking on all this. And I'm always real careful because sometimes you'll see one that's in at a good price, but you start looking at it and it, you know, it looks terrible. But or it's dirty or it's cracked or something. If you're not familiar with the Neverfull, I'm sure everybody is. It's got a little clip right there to close it, which I don't think anybody ever does. We're gonna try that insert in there. I did get it because this color is so delicate and because I love a tote organizer in my tote. It is the perfect color, you guys. It does match. Oh, finally got that lid. Yes, perfect size. Actually, I found this lady Carrie in the LV. Look at that, you guys. Perfect color. Matches the rose ballerine just perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am in love with it. Yes, I'm so glad I bought it. I was a little iffy about it because I thought, do I want the rose ballerine? Do I want it to, even if it doesn't have the pouch, am I going to be okay with that? And I thought, well, the price, you know, is so good that, yes, I can live without that pouch. So then again, I don't have to have that pouch really, and especially if I have all these organizers. Like, I would have liked it, but then I would have had to have paid like another $500-600 for the pouch. Nah, that's okay. I can live without the pouch. So, or how much? No, not 5, maybe 5. I don't know, not 600. But anyway, it's got these little thingies right here that you can cinch in to turn your bag into like more like a boxy look, but I'll never do that. I like it just like this. And she's beautiful, you guys. Thank you so much, Veronica. I love, love, love this bag. And I totally recommend you going on Facebook. Whoa, I almost dropped it. On Facebook and looking at the, I think it's Fashionista. I think that's what it's called. But if you have me on Facebook, Patty Perez, P-A-T-Y Perez. If you have me on there, shoot me a message and I will add you to that group for sure. But they have great, great bags, and I absolutely love, love this. Okay, this is great, and I totally recommend this group. There's several sellers on there. Everything's authentic, and if they say it's in great condition, you better believe it is, because it is. So I'm very excited and very happy to have purchased this. No cracking, nothing whatsoever, you guys. It looks like a brand new bag, and I love my insert. Thank you, Carrie. I don't know if you watch these videos, but if you do, I love it. Thank you so much. Thank all of you so much for watching again and stopping by my channel. I appreciate each and every single one of you very much. I love all of you guys very, very much. Big hugs, and have a great, wonderful week. I love you. Bye-bye.